Since 1998, Easy Lift Equipment's self-propelled roll haulers have been the safest and most ergonomic solution for handling a wide range of applications. Roll haulers are available with a variety of clamps for handling rolls or cylinders from 5 to 48 inches in diameter. Before using any of our roll handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. This model features our RCR1626 clamp with 16-inch high clamping pads for gripping rolls from 16 to 26 inches in diameter. RCR clamps are capable of picking or placing a roll with the core in a vertical position and offers a continuous 360-degree endless rotation of the clamp, either left or right. The optional small roll adapter reduces the clamping range, enabling the operator to handle rolls as small as 12 inches in diameter. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings, as well as battery and electrical cords, to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To start, turn the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit. Then, turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the 2-inch display. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Roll haulers equipped with a hydraulic clamp include a magnetic-backed control box on a coil cord to provide remote rotation and clamping functions. The top rocker switches control the clamping function. The control box also includes controls for rotating left and right. We also offer a side shifter option. Operators must press the red safety switch to enable the clamp function. This requires operators to activate 2 switches to clamp or unclamp a roll in order to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. The optional side shifter function enables the operator to move the clamp 4 inches left or right of the center position. The ergonomic tiller handle is used to steer the roll hauler when the unit is in forward or reverse travel. The thumb control lever on the handle provides the operator with the precise control to travel at variable speeds, enabling safe, controlled movement even in tight operating areas. Also featured on the tiller handle is a reversing safety collision bumper. If the collision bumper contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the roll hauler will stop and move forward to help prevent any injury. A turtle switch is also included on the tiller handle, which permits the unit to travel with the handle in a fully upright position for tight maneuvering capabilities, as well as a horn button. To charge, ensure that the roll hauler is turned off. Unplug the SB175 connector from your roll hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the roll hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. Charging times range from 6 to 8 hours. When charging is complete, disconnect the charger from the battery and reconnect the battery to the roll hauler. Please refer to the manual for complete charging instructions. The roll clamp is equipped with 16-inch high clamping pads to securely clamp a wide range of roll materials. The clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the rolls. RCR clamps are capable of picking or placing a roll with the core in a vertical position. The larger clamping pads are designed to distribute the clamping pressure on the roll and reduce the potential for damage. 8-inch high clamping pads for handling shorter rolls are also available with this RCR clamp. Only lift the roll to the minimum height required for proper floor clearance when transporting the roll to its destination. Most models come with a standard capacity between 600 and 1,000 pounds. Select modifications are also available to enable capacities up to 1,200 pounds for heavier duty applications. The RCR clamp rotates 360 degrees endlessly, either left or right. Standard base frames are 54 inches in length, as shown in this video, but can be reduced to 46.5 inches depending on capacity and type of clamp. Single and two-stage masts are available to elevate rolls from 48 to 108 inches. We also offer non-rotating clamps and models with roll forks or roll posts, which can be inserted into the roll's core, providing an alternative method for picking rolls without contacting the roll's material. The optional small roll adapter reduces the clamping range by 4 inches, enabling the operator to handle rolls as small as 12 inches in diameter. Installation of the small roll adapter can be done with relative ease. It involves placing the adapter bracket over the pre-drilled pinholes in the clamp and inserting 2 steel retaining pins with circle cotter pins to securely hold the adapter in place. The roll hauler's large 24-volt industrial battery allows the machine to run continuously from 12 to up to 16 hours on a single charge. Standard features include safety orange powder coating for durability. For food or pharmaceutical applications, roll haulers are available in an FDA-approved epoxy gray powder coating, as seen here, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. For more sensitive roll materials such as plastic films, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. The unit is also capable of clamping and removing finished roll products from printing presses, then placing the rolls onto pallets for shipment to customers. Popular additional options available for this model include small roll adapter, side shifter, and scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory. When finished, you should always place your roll hauler in a safe location. Lower and close the clamp and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.